Today, I will show you how to cook perfect duck eggs soft-boiled. Everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Nin. Welcome to my cooking channel. In Thailand, we have a recipe called Khai Look Khoi. It is duck eggs with sweet and sour Thai sauce. Normally, duck eggs are hard-boiled, but in my way, I prefer to do soft-boiled. Make sure you watch until the end. You will see how delicious it is. Are you ready? Let's go! First, I will cut coriander and shallot that we will use at the end as topping. Now I am going to boil my eggs. In boiling water, put the eggs and leave it there for 6 minutes. When you put the eggs in boiling water, be very careful. Don't break it. To do so, I use a spatula. Just put your eggs in the spatula and then put it in boiling water. To be sure that your yolk eggs is cooked properly, keep stirring. As soon as the timer ends, put your eggs into ice cold water. This is the best way to ensure that your eggs will not continue cooking. To make sure that your eggs is cooked properly, I always like to check, like just press your egg like this. That is soft or not. And I think this one gonna be good. Now we are going to make the sauce. Add tamarind juice. Add palm sugar. Stir until palm sugar become melt. And use lower heat. Last step, add fish sauce. and then turn off the heat. Now it's time to deep fry the eggs. Add oil in your pan. I use oil from pork because my mom said it's good for deep fry. Once your oil is boiling, add the egg. Cook it until the outside turns to become yellow. I think it's ready. So turn off the gas and rinse the oil. Almost finished. Now just have to deep fry shallot and chili. Be careful for the shallot. It's very easy to get burned. So use low heat and keep stir. I think they are ready. So rinse it. Now, moment of truth, that the eggs will be perfect or not. Let's see. It's good. I'm not fail. Now, let's prepare the plating and make sure you stay if you want to know how delicious it is. Oh. It looks like a sun.
Okay, let's try it. I have to say that I can't wait to try it because this is actually the first time I will taste that dish. Never tried it before, so fried shallot.
Yeah, fried shallot.
Half chili.
Oh.
Mmm.
Sauce?
It's very interesting. And the chili is very spicy too. I might die very soon.
That's why.
So the texture is very interesting because the outside is a bit crunchy because we fried it. The middle is very soft, almost liquid. And the taste, the sauce is like sweet and sour at the same time. And when you bite in those babies, it's pretty much like very significant of the Thai cuisine. A lot of different tastes
Yes.
and flavors
Yep.
in one bite,
Yep.
which is just amazing.
It's good. I will try too.
Yes, please. Shallot,
Sauce.
some sauce, some
You will die with that one because he took kind of all long chili, whole chili. Even me, see, I take only little bit.
Yeah, but I'm Thai more than you. It's really the first time that I eat eggs even close to that. Like I was used of the traditional either boiled egg with nothing, boiled hard egg actually, or fried egg or omelette or whatever. But this kind of egg, well, and this is duck eggs. So good. Have to get better at marketing stuff. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and as always,
don't forget to subscribe, share, leave me a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday.
see you next Monday.
ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย
Subscribe
and eat
and eat.
I'm hungry